How to create WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create WhatsApp group. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. You will be led to the chat section. Tap on the plus icon you see on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for new group. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see everyone in your contact. You can also tap on the search bar and search for the individuals with whom you want to create the group with. Simply go ahead and search for the people you want to add on the group, and once done, tap on the next button, and now go ahead and name your group. You can also add emojis in the group name if you want. Once done, tap on the create button on the top right of your screen, and with this the group will be created successfully. So this is how you can create group on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.